Hi everyone, so today I'll show you 10 English mistakes that many people make. So if you are learning English, then this video is for you. Let's get started. So the first mistake is myself Jyoti. Myself Jyoti? No, instead of this you can say my name is Jyoti or you can say I am Jyoti. Number 2, he don't like tea. Instead of this you can say he doesn't like tea. Number 3, I am having two brothers. Instead of this, you can say I have two brothers. Return back. Return. I am agree. I agree. Discuss about the problem. Discuss the problem. One of my friends. I didn't went there. I didn't go there. And the last is more better. Better. So, if you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. See you in the next lesson.